In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer is unable to join a domain. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I want to point out is only the Windows 11 Pro or higher editions, such as Pro, Enterprise, or Education, can actually join a domain. Home Edition does not support this functionality, so that's the first thing I just want to put out there right away. Something else you want to take a look at as well would be your date and time settings down in your system taskbar. Make sure they're correct. If not, you may want to right click on it and select adjust date and time. And then on the right panel where it says sync now, go ahead and select the sync now option. Give that a moment. And then once your date and time settings are correct, hopefully that would have resolved the issue. Something else we can try as well on top of all that would be to open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best result, come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up in the top right versus view by, select the drop down and select category, and then select network and internet. So select that category. Then select Network and Sharing Center. Select whatever your internet connection type is, should be indicated with a little underline right here. Go ahead and select that. Select the Properties button at the bottom, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, and then parentheses TCP/IPv4, and select Properties again. Select Obtain an IP address automatically as well as obtain a DNS server address automatically. So make sure those are both the selected options here and then select OK. Close out of here, and then I would suggest opening up the search menu and typing in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer at this time. And then, like I said, once again, hopefully that was able to help resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.